This is something you don't see every day, I can tell you that. I just happened to glance over as I'm cruising down the road, and I spotted a vehicle that you just do not see anymore. At least not in this condition, you don't see it. You see a few rough, ragged out examples out there, but to see a nice, clean, this is something that you don't see. So I had to zip around and check this thing out because it looked really good from the road. Look at that. Look at that guy. That's nice. I don't like those rails on the bed, but other than that, it's beautiful. All original. Look at that guy, man. It is in such great shape. I gotta check this thing out. Look at this, boy. That thing is nice, man. Oh, it's got a cracked fender flare. They've painted these. It's got the newer mirrors on it. I think they changed the mirrors in '99. Black interior. Thing's nice. Dude, that thing's sweet. It's missing the little flarettes right down here. They're missing. But freaking ZR2, man. People that don't know about the ZR2 came with a completely different frame compared to the regular S10s. The regular S10s, you can see the frames are more exposed. They sit down and they're closer in. The ZR2 frames are wider and they sit further up in. They're 4 inches wider. They also have a 3-inch factory lift, which they have different suspension components to get that lift. They got the heavier duty rear, which is it's an 8.625 rear is what they have, which really isn't too far from the Ford 8.8. 8.6.25, that's pretty damn close. I mean, they're tough rears. The other regular S10s had a 7.5 rear. These also had hardened axles, and they had a factory locker, a posi in them. They came with factory Bilstein Shocks. They were purpose-built off-road sport trucks, and they were cool little trucks, man. Back in the 90s, early 2000s, these were the trucks I have. They were awesome.